Hey, it's your friend Dr. Manager Subramanian again here today with one more video where I'm going to be answering a question, which I told, I'll be sharing it in one of my future videos. In one of my previous videos, I told you, I'll share with you how do I bring in the state of flow into my work. So this is something that I learned from, from my learning and my experience in the field of positive psychology, and that is you bring about a state of flow when you focus on two aspects. One is challenges and one is on skills. That is like when you engage in a task which is challenging to the highest, which brings you, which makes you, which helps you to bring the best of all the energy from within you, then you put yourself into a state, into a chance of feeling that state of flow. So that's one. The second thing is also how much skillful you are, how much you are capable, how much you are able to bring in a solution for the same challenge. The higher your skill level, the higher in terms of the challenging situation where you're solving a problem, or you are engaging in a high priority work. That's where I personally feel, and you can also feel, in a state of flow. That's my biggest learning, one of my biggest learning from the field of positive psychology, and that's how I ensure the two things happen. One, I always look at how can I do this, whichever be the task, whether it's working on or learning or shooting video or doing my coaching or doing my consulting. How can I make it even more valuable? How can I make it even more productive? And how can I make it even more result oriented, where people can do more, be more, learn more, get more results, become more, in terms of whatever be the result. So it's like I'm looking at what next, the next level, in terms of how do I make it more valuable and more productive. So that's one level at which I look at it. And at the same time, how can I enhance my skills to the next level? So it's about yes, I'm enough. Yes, the results my clients are having is enough. How do I focus on where I completely have to put in all my energy, all my attention and all my focus into the work, put my complete beingness into it, in becoming something better, because good can be made into better, and even there is better than the best. You can always improve upon your best. So that's what I really always focus on every single moment, and that's how I keep myself in a state of flow.